Well, here we are, lathe test number 1. We're gonna see if this thing will turn a bullet here and try to keep this video as small as possible. Here we go, cycle start. There we are, turning the nose of the bullet. Fairly decent job. The lid's kind of soft, but it holds up if you take light cuts. There's our gang tooling. The first tool is the contouring tool, or the basic turning tool. The second tool on the far left is the grooving tool. And we should have another tool to do the parting off, but we only have a 2-hole tool holder at the time. And we're almost finished with the turning of the bullet. Now it's going to back up. It'll back up 1.5 inches, and then it'll move tool number 2 into position. It'll run back down and cut the grooves in the bullet. There's groove number 1, groove number 2, groove number 3. If you're not familiar with bullets, these are lubricant grooves or grease grooves. In cast bullets, they have to be lubricated to keep them lead in the barrel. Now we're going to back up, and if we had another tool, we would go to tool 3. But we're chintzy, so we're just going to use tool number 1 to part it off, and it should just cut it off, let the bullet drop. There it went. So there you have it, my genuine homemade 1952 South Bend CNC lathe. I hope this video is short enough that we can email it to John.